Hi, welcome to Smack's Tutorials. In this tutorial, which is the third part of our one-page scroll, I just want to give you a few tips on how to do some extra things on this, because it's quite a nice system. And in the part two, we built a very long content page that included 3 items. We have a layer with a background here. Just want to show you how that works with the parallax scrolling, which is quite nice. So let's go in to have a look and see our page. Very long content page. Scrolling, 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 and you can see now we've got a background in here that's actually moving independent of my scroll. So that background image is moving at a different speed, which gives it gives the content some text, some further depth. So let's have a look and see how we do that. So we need to choose the layer, which is a layer with background. So the first thing is, let's upload another background image. So the background image we can choose. It's really best to choose a picture with a background that's not really a sort of a focus. So let's choose flowers, sky. We'll choose this one, sky. Okay, so here we can see that it's wanting us to crop that. It's a strip. Now you could do that, but as we've got a lot of content on here, I don't really want to crop it. So I'm just not going to crop this. I'm just going to click save. So now you can see our layer has the background image in the back now. So let's have a look at that. Very long content page, and now we're scrolling down, and we can see we've got the sky that's moving. Now over the layer of that, we need to have, if just a tip, if you're not seeing the background layer, the reason why you're not seeing the background layer because you have the color over the top of the background is probably going to be white. We need to set this opacity here of the white, which is overlaying our background, to a little bit less opaque. So now we can see now on our page, very long content page, see now we've got the white overlay quite strong, so I'm not seeing as much of the background. If we set our color overlay to be really less transparent up to here, now we could have a different color for the transparency as well. Now we'll be able to see this image better. Let's have a look. Very long content page, and now we can see now we've got the white. It's overlaying this image, but it's only very proportionally. If we have a look, see what it looks like on a mobile, that's working really well. Bring it back to here again. Okay, so you can see how powerful this tool can be, because you could have a very long page that you instantly can jump to the content that you want to update or manage. The difference between the home page one-page scroll and our sub-page one-page scroll is a little bit different. In this one here, we've got events that is driven from our events here. In the subpage scroll you can't do that. So only on the home page can we drive specific layer blocks that will only work on the home page. So other pages, these pages cannot use that. And I think we've covered everything on here. Yeah, I think we've covered everything. I was just going to say one more thing, but I've forgotten what I was going to say now. I think that's it. I think we've covered the subcategories, the sub one-page scrolling system, and you can see how you create some really lovely content with this. Well, we hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching.